Our grey teddy was just passing by. Then he heard it. A tiny sound. Soaked, shivering, completely alone. Teddy knelt down slowly, so he wouldn't scare him. And without a word, he shared everything he had. He didn't think twice. He just took him home. He dried him off, gently, careful with every little paw. Then he poured some warm milk and set it right in front of him. And for the first time in a long time, the little one felt warmth. He came in as a stranger and left as family. Sometimes the ones who need saving end up saving you too.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.